Hey everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to take the back glass of the 8 Plus. Okay, make sure you take out the LCD screen first, okay? And then I'm just trying to replace this too, so I take this off first. And make sure you give it a little bit of heat in the back here. Okay, I use this heater. Okay, just be patient and trying to take it each little piece by piece so you don't damage the metal inside there. Okay, all right, let me continue working on these until all these glass are out, so be careful. So it's really hard to take this sticker off because it's so sticky. It's like a super glue stuck in there. So make sure you use a safety glass. Okay, make sure you use a glove also. The glass are very, use a glove to protect it. All right, you give it a heat. Okay, now we are almost done. Just gotta clean up all these stickers. Alright, and we will replace a new one. Alright, so you put the LCD display together, but do not screw it up yet. We just want to test these up. Okay, and make sure all these are closed. Okay, and then we will glue the back glass. Okay, all these does make sure they clean. Okay, clean all these, and then we will put the back glass like this. Okay, put this super glue. All right,
here we go. Just put it in, and look, it's gold, white, red. Wow, kind of pretty good. Alright, I have to just put the glue in it, and we will put these snap in. We will hang it on for like until the glue dry. Alright.
Alright, I use this two type of glue, T7000 and super glue. So just put this one in the edge of these corner and put this one in the middle like these. Okay, put in the back like these. Okay, and then we'll just snap it with these snapper, and then we put this back because don't want to crack the screen because of this metal. Okay. Alright, finally we have completed our glass and LCD replacement. Okay, so let's try our wireless charger. So this is Samsung wireless charger. Let's try it. Alright, see, it's working, it's charging, everything's working. So let me test the camera. Perfect, see, and we go to portrait, perfect, touchscreen, everything's perfect. Alright, so I put all the glue, super glue. Okay, alright, thank you for watching.